In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view NSFW content on Reddit. By the end of this walkthrough, you will know exactly where to go in your settings, what to turn on, and what this change actually means for your Reddit experience. First, open the Reddit app or website and make sure you're logged into your account. You'll need to be signed in because these settings are tied to your personal profile, not just the device you're using. Once you're on the home screen, look toward the top right corner of the screen. You should see your profile icon there. This might be your avatar image or a simple placeholder if you haven't customized it yet. Go ahead and click or tap that profile icon. This will open a small menu that gives you access to various account options. From that menu, find and select the option labeled Settings. This is where Reddit keeps all the controls related to your account, privacy, and content preferences. If you're on mobile, you might need to scroll a little within the settings page, but don't worry, we're looking for something very specific next. Inside the settings area, look for the section labeled Profile and tap or click on it. The profile section controls how your account behaves and what kind of content you're allowed to see. This is where Reddit lets you manage whether you want to see content that has been marked as not safe for work or NSFW. Now, on the profile page, look for the option that mentions NSFW content. You should see a simple toggle switch next to it. When this switch is off, Reddit hides or blurs content that has been flagged as sensitive or adult. To allow NSFW content, tap or click the toggle so that it turns on. As soon as you enable this setting, your feed and search results may start to include posts and communities that contain explicit or sensitive material, depending on what you browse and subscribe to. Keep in mind that NSFW means the content may not be appropriate for public places, work environments, or younger viewers, so use this setting responsibly and be aware of who might be able to see your screen. That's all you need to do. Open your profile, go into settings, select your profile settings, and turn on the NSFW option. If you ever change your mind, you can follow these same steps and simply toggle it back off.